This investment strategy will generate more money than managed brokerage stocks, mutual funds, and commodities. Welcome to Shakaama Live with your host, Shakaama. For a full and complete report on this, see my $15 tier on Patreon at patreon.com/Shakaama. This info will not only make you money, but make you more money than investing directly in the stock market. That means it's actually worth something. If you're just curious, go look it up for yourself. So, what is it you can invest in that does better than managed brokerage accounts? It's called indexes. You are the one that will be managing it, so either be sure you study it or get lots of advice before you try it. I will give a complete guide on Patreon, and yes, it does better than an annual return of 7% over and above inflation. Thank you for watching. Please thumbs up the video.